Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Jeep Gladiator garage door opener. First, find the 3 home link buttons, usually on your overhead console. To begin, you'll want to clear any previous programming. Simply press and hold the 2 outer home link buttons until the indicator light flashes rapidly, which takes about 20 seconds. This ensures a clean slate for your new connection. Now, let's program using your existing garage door remote. Position your remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons. Simultaneously press and hold the home link button you wish to program and your garage door remote's button. Keep holding both until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash. This signals successful programming. If your remote programming didn't work, or if you have a newer opener, you might need to use the Learn button. Go to your garage door opener motor unit and locate the Learn or Smart button. Press it once, then immediately return to your Jeep. Within 30 seconds, press the desired home link button 3 times. Your garage door should now activate. If you're still having trouble, consult your garage door opener's manual for specific compatibility information. Some older or newer garage door openers, especially those with rolling code technology, might require a home link repeater kit for successful connection. These kits help bridge the communication gap. Remember to check the description for a link to Grab Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals. Enjoy your newly connected garage door opener.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.